we are looking at an HSE Conclave, and I'm sure that this will only be a beginning. There will be many samshayas across the country in many organizations, and I'm told today all the shipping yards are represented here. So the yards should, in their own backyards, should also look at hosting similar conclaves. You're also aware of the maritime Amritkal Vision 47 that we released last year. And one of the very important themes in the Amritkal Vision is health, safety and environment. So it is very important that all these things are widely discussed, debated and recorded for future, for best practices to evolve, to be exchanged. And therefore, I am very happy and thankful to CSL for having started off this wonderful conclave, this wonderful initiative. And I'm sure that all the shipbuilding yards who are represented today here will go back and mull over these concepts and ensure that these are also followed there.